Here's how to bar lace PUMA Suede XLs. Start by taking hold of your lace, and we're going to feed each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side. So just take one lace end and wiggle it through. Take your time. Pull it through a bit and then swap to the other one. Smooth your lace out. Then take that one down through the very bottom eyelet on the other side. Pull it through. And then take a hold of your two lace ends, put them together, hold your sneakers, and just pull. And what that will do is it'll mean your laces will come out of equal lengths on either side. If yours haven't, don't worry about it. Just pause the video and take a minute to make sure they're nice and equal on either side before we carry on. Great. Then keep a hold of this lace. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring it up through the third eyelet up from the bottom on this side, if that makes sense. So skip an eyelet and take the lace end up through the third one up from the bottom from underneath like this and pull it all the way through. Looking good. And then we're going to keep a hold of this lace, bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side, which will be the third one up. So just take that lace end down through into there. Pull it all the way through like this. Make sure there's no twists and creases and pop that out of the way. Then we're going to go back to our first one and we're going to bring that lace end up through the empty eyelet that we've left here from underneath. So just take a hold of it, wiggle that through like that, pull it. Awesome. Keep a hold. Bring it over the sneaker tongue and we're going to fill in this empty eyelet on this side now. And we're going to take the lace end down into that from above by wiggling it through. Looking good. Now, what you can do is play this video on a half speed or pause it as much as you need to. If I'm going a bit too quickly, it's totally up to you. Go at your own pace. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to bring it underneath that bar like this, just so it's got lots of wiggle room for us to continue on our pattern. And then we're going to do that again. We're going to skip an eyelet and instead we're going to bring the lace end up through the one above that from underneath like this, making sure we're leaving one empty. Then we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet from above to make another bar. Just pull that through. These eyelets can be a little bit difficult to get the lace through, so just take your time and make sure you're wiggling it and it'll be fine. Then we're going to swap to the other lace and we're going to fill in these two empty eyelets by bringing it up from underneath into this one like that. And then bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the other empty one from above by wiggling it. It's looking good. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this lace underneath here so it's got plenty of wiggle room. Now, what we're going to do is something a little bit different now. We have two empty eyelets left and we don't want to fill them both in because we'll cover up the logo and it looks kind of better without that. So instead, we're going to keep a hold of this lace. And what we're going to do is just bring it up into the next empty eyelet from underneath. So we're not skipping one, just into the very next empty eyelet. And we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side to make a bar like this. And that'll just finish off the pattern really nicely without obscuring the logo too much. And then you want to bring these two laces together just like this. And we're just going to tie them into a knot. And that'll mean your pattern won't come loose. And then you can just slip that down under the sneaker tongue and it'll sit out of the way on top of your foot. And you'll be able to slip your feet in and out of the sneakers without the need for tying them. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of bar lace PUMA Suede XLs. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to help inspire you guys. Thank you so much.